trying to flag my live.
Bird crap all over the hood, but look, I got my microphone inside my mask. That's why I'm wearing it right now, okay? So, in case anybody's wondering, like, why is that guy wearing a mask? Well, my microphone's in it. And I want to see what it's like to record. And if it can hear me well with the mask on. Oh, bro, how dope. I gotta fix this camera before it falls off. You think so, bro? Well, you think they're gonna restrict me? What if I just keep the camera low like this? I'm gonna turn back around, man. I just gotta get the footage. I got to get the footage, bro. I'm gonna show it to you in just a second. Let me turn this puppy around. Alright. Y'all bear with me. I didn't go very far. I did not go very far, I promise. Oh, they trying to restrict me, bro.
They trying to flag my live. Bro. Goldie, come on, bro. I'm trying not to get caught. I feel like somebody telling on me. I feel like somebody's telling on me. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna end and restart. Hey, look at this player little switch I got, bro. All right. Hey, if you haven't followed yet, follow my channel. I'm about to go live in like 3 minutes. I'm finna end it right here so they don't block me before I get back home. Yeah, baby.
We masking up on these boys just in case we gotta go hit some. You know what I mean? Okay, we gotta go hit that old lick right quick, man. We in the 85. 85, red boy. Paint the city red, baby. Paint their city red. Yes, sir. Man, you've never seen a square body roll around with 360 camera views? Come on, guys. You gotta subscribe. You gotta like. You gotta follow. This is the channel that you guys have been waiting to be a part of. Like, hands down, no questions asked. This is what you need. Hands down, no questions asked. Alright.